Hello. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to make a bar graph for the data table in your assignment on native in plants and grasslands. So let's get started on this. So we are making a data table for this information over here. There we go. We're making a data table for this information over here, which is the Rancho Grassland study site. So the way we do that is you need to open up a Word document. So open up a computer and open up a Word document, and we'll take this one here. And what we're going to do is we are going to insert. So we go to our insert function, and then we go to chart. So we go to our chart function, and there are two different bar graphs. You can actually do this bar graph here, which is a sideways column, or you can do one that's up and down. And I want you to make it with the columns up and down this time. You could make it this way, but we're going to go ahead and show you how to do it this way. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to click OK. And when it does that, it brings up our data entry. Close this. Brings up our data entry over here, and you can see how the graph will change as we go through. So let's bring up our data, and here's our data. And so we have to decide where we're going to put stuff. So we have 5 plots that we're putting in. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to have that be our 5 plots here. So category 1, category 2, category 3, those are going to be our 5 plots. So we're going to change this to plot 1, go down, plot 2, go down, plot 3, go down, plot 4, and we need to add one more, so we'll go down and plot 5. Okay, so there's our 5 plots, and it's made our data table fit it, and you can see there they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next thing we need to do is put in our plant species. So the plant species that we want to plot are, let's double check to make sure. So let's go back to your worksheet, and on your worksheet it says they're the bluegrass, mustard, red stem fillery, ripgut brome, sheep sorrel, smooth cat's ear, wild oat. And that's these right here, these 7. The annual bluegrass, black mustard, red stem fillery, ripgut, sheep sorrel, smooth cat's ear, and wild oat. So we're going to use those to plot our data. Okay, so again, our picture of that is right here. So it's these ones that we'll be plotting. So let's go back to our plot of this, bring up our data again. All right, so what we're going to do is we are just going to go to the series, and we're going to put the names of those things right there. Hopefully we can do this. I guess we're going to have a little bit of trouble. So that's annual bluegrass. We'll just put bluegrass. And in series 2, you'll have less trouble with this because we'll have that data right next to you. We're going to have black mustard and then red stem fillery. So black mustard. Next one. Red stem fillery. Next one is ripgut brome. Got right name, brome. Next one, sheep sorrel. That's with two R's looks like. Sheep, so R-E-L. And next one, smooth cat's ear. And finally, our last one, which is wild oat. Okay, so that should show our things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's our categories, and then all we have to do is put in our data, and that's the easy part. So for our annual bluegrass, here's our plots up here, which are very similar to the ones you have in your data table, or exactly the same. So we'd just be going down and going, okay, for our annual bluegrass, in plot 1, let's see if I can get my data. Let's go like that, and maybe that'll help. Okay, so for our annual bluegrass, plot 1, we're going to have 1. For plot 2, we're going to have 0. Plot 3, and I'm going like this, so this is 1. This here was 0. This here was another 0 for plot 3. For plot 4, it's 1 again, right here. And for plot 5, it is 2. And as I do that, I get my data. It shows up right there. So I will stop this video, and you should be able to finish this up. So go ahead and finish putting your data in. Again, for this next one, black mustard, it would be 3, and then 5. And then right here, 10, and then 4, and finally in plot 5, it's number 2. Plot 5, number 2, right? And when I put that in, it makes the graph for me. So go ahead and do that, and then you can go finish answering the questions about the data from this data chart. You will attach this data chart or this bar graph to your assignment when you turn it in this week. If you have any more questions, please contact your teacher. Good luck.